I still with the big boys.
Still got 4 left.
I ain't dare eat one of them motherfuckers.
I ate one. You ever heard that saying? Jerry, I'll give you $20 to eat one, Jerry.
Uh-oh.
$20.
Let's go, baby.
$20.
Hey, dirty, that's 40.
Give me a
40.
Hey, man.
That's 40.
I'll do it for 40.
Hey,
Go ahead. Hey, you say you do it for 40.
Yeah.
Do it for 40. Hey, how bad is it though, really? Hey.
Just eat it.
I got 20 right here.
Oh, shit.
I got 20.
Hey. That's $20
right there.
Put 100 there. I'll eat it.
Fuck 100. I do it for 40.
You do it for 40?
20.
Alright,
I got 20 on.
I got 40.
Somebody else eat one.
He said he'll do it.
I'll be alright.
You gotta eat the whole thing.
Ate the whole thing. Give me everything. $40 right there. Give me everything.
I don't know if I should be on camera though. Hey, that's part of it.
Oh.
Part of it.
Get it. Eat that
On
whole
camera.
thing. All of it.
I need that.
Eat the whole thing. I need that. Keep chewing it. Keep chewing it. Keep chewing it.
I do, but them motherfuckers are packed with pump. He's about to.
They got his money.
They hot.
For a minute, it's hard.
Damn, shit.
They got it. Come on, man.
Yeah, they hot. I like mother. Punch. Punch to that motherfucker. $40 or something.
Shit, you got $40 for nothing?
Money talk bullshit walk.
Yeah, man, that bullshit walking right there. That motherfucker stay there. Huh?
I don't think she can.
You say you want to eat nothing for 20 more? I got 20 more. Alright. Put 150 on the table and I ate 2 of them.
I ain't throwing that much.
These ain't no joke.
With a baby on it.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
I gotta admit, I don't feel as bad now.
That's why I won't feel bad either.
I don't feel as bad.
I do, bro.
Somebody give me a bear.
Talk to us, man.
Yeah, but we're hot.
That's a hot motherfucker.
Right there on the tip of my tongue.
Why y'all gonna spit all the time? Hey, wait a minute, hey, give it a minute, homie. Give it a minute. Let it settle in.
Wait a minute.
Let it turn fucking flame red now, boy.
Bro, you shouldn't drink that beer with that. You're gonna regret it. You can puke in here in a minute.
Nah, I'm gonna try to get drunk enough so I can't.
You gotta put it out.
Them sinuses going.
Yeah, you got allergies. I got some Benadryl.
Nah, he's good now. Shit,
I tell you, I just killed a couple beers.
shit hot, dude.
No, it's hot.
Hey,
I still got some shit up inside of my mouth.
you started chewing that off in your teeth, huh?
Jesus.
Yeah.
It's like some dry ass beef jerky.
Yeah.
I couldn't swallow it.
Shit, well, that's a hot motherfucker.
Ain't no juice in them, nothing.
Hell yeah.
What's that?
Huh?
I'll get you one, Philip. Yeah.
Give me 40. Give me 40. Y'all finna be broke for the night.
Hell yeah.
Good now, shit. Boy, that bitch better go in. I'm on the silence up on the man.
Yeah. Hey, I used to put braid out these motherfuckers.
Yeah. You can breathe out here.
Hey, just give it a minute, dude. Let it settle in. You're gonna feel it in your gut, dude, here in a minute.
Yeah, because you're going to ask.
Promise you, Brad, you're gonna feel it in your goddamn gut.
I'm good now.
Nah, bro, you feel it in your mouth, bro, not in your gut. I'm feeling my gut, bro.
Right now?
Right now.
You got to go shit, look at it. Like a motherfucker.
Nah, I know, it's hot, dude. I ain't Superman, dog. I ain't gonna just sit there. That's a hot motherfucker.
Cool though. It'll be
Kev's right.
Huh?
You're right, Kev. Huh? That's on the top of the dumb dude.
You gotta order it. You know
Man, for real, man. That's too hot.
Shit now. I done whooped your ass today.
shit, I killed all y'all. What
Woo!
You
I live so.
Mario?
Uh-oh.
You did. Go finish that up.
Don't finish.
Wait a minute. He sure did. He got to finish that.
Look, they didn't eat all there.
Hey, you got to finish that thing. We made a bet with you.
Eat that.
Finish it.
He got to eat that membrane. He got to still eat that membrane.
Oh,
Eat
man,
that.
I thought he ate all
I
there.
touched it. Fuck.
Damn, without the gloves.
Yeah. Go ahead and finish that off,
I'm
Brad.
about to.
Brother, I give you more.
Okay, go ahead and finish it.
I get some more. I get some more.
Finish it right now.
Hey, but we can't call in tomorrow, though.
I can. I never said I could.
You can.
He can't.
I ain't
Go
gonna
ahead, Brad.
I ain't
Eat that
gonna
membrane.
like that.
Eat that membrane. Finish
I
it.
thought you ate the whole everybody.
Come on now.
No beer.
No beer.
You said
Man, we done got it.
for the tip.
Yeah.
$5 a piece.
That was a
Party, man. You party.
Sit your beer down.
You be a man your word. Chill out, let me chill a second. It's hot.
Hey, we have to replay this motherfucker. Count how many times you said it's hot.
Yeah, the hot.
One more bite, that's all it is.
Yeah,
I'm about to get the stem and everything.
Get it.
Nah. We drink one more beer and I get it. Y'all ain't in no hurry, are y'all?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, that whole goddamn case.
So that don't mean nothing. That means you gotta eat that pepper.
Bruh.
Yeah, you still got something over there too, though. You still got a little piece. Yeah. I done ate all mine up.
Eat the whole thing.
No, sir.
Swallow it
Sure, might as well.